Hallelujah.
Praise Master Jesus.
Hallelujah.
Praise the God of TTV.
Hallelujah.
Today, the Lord has made the reality in my life. Because we came here last year, April, and we meet mommy. And mommy told us that by this time, April next year, Okada again, he needs to belly. He said, mommy will belly. Then mommy now told me I should stop all the drug I'm taking. And whatever the issue that God will take care of it. And exactly April 3rd of this year, exactly 1 year, my wife delivered a basket baby boy. The moment I'm saying that God want to straighten you, because you are taking away the shame of barrenness in my life. Because this has caused me so many mockery. But today the Lord has changed his story. And his name is glorified. Praise the God of TTBL.
Hallelujah.
The God of the deliverance.
Hallelujah.
Jesus is well.
My name is Solomon Zeruwa Ona from Enugu State. I was married for past 5 years. And that 5 years I was walking around, seeking the face of God, praying to God for a gift of child in our marriage, but it was not coming forth until I met one of my close doctor friend, who always shared with me his own challenge, because he too also married for 18 years without a child. And on that process, he would relate with me about TTV. He told me that there is a church that you can go and if you believe and seek the face of God, God will grant you your heart desire. And he gave me that address for 2 years. I was not made. In fact, that address will remain in my wallet for good 2 years. I did not take any move.
2 years.
2 years. I did not take any move until the devil starts, his own funny play, mockery of the challenge of barrenness. And then I also took my wife to his own hospital so I can also do some tests. Not told me that you don't need this test. Go to TTV and God will answer you. Because he already has a boy, two baby, a boy and a girl. Now told me that this year he did an IVF, one in Dubai, this and that, and it didn't work out. So why spending money running for different tests? And from there I was encouraged, and I came here April 2019, and we came here and visited. We went and see the woman of God. The woman of God told us, son, don't we believe that God will give you grant your heart desire? I say yes, mommy. Mommy now say, if you believe, by this time next year you carry your baby. And I was encouraged. She told me that whatever drug I'm taking, I told mommy that I'm taking some drug that doctor recommend that can help me take care of my issue. Mommy said I should stop taking any drug, whatever be the issue, that God will take care of it, which will continue. And exactly 1 year, April 4th, my wife delivered a massive baby boy. And by God's glory, this is the result. So it is the spoken word of God. And God has been merciful. Because since the arrival of this baby, God has been so wonderful.
It can only be God.
It can only be God, because He has taken care of everything. May His name be glorified.
Amen.
Praise the God of TTV.
Hallelujah.
Praise the God of Prophet Ngozi Okafor.
Hallelujah.
Jesus, Igwe.
Powerful God. As for me, I trust in God. I know that God will do it. That's what I believe. So, since I came to this TTVM, everything has changed. Everything about me has changed. If you know me before, now you will not even know me.
That's true.
And God of TTBM have changed my name.
Hallelujah.
So the only thing I have to say, if you are believing in God for a child, anything that you are believing in God, like you should keep trusting in God, keep on praying, God will do it.
Amen.
You're right. Sincerely, our prayer life already before coming to TTVM, you know, I was also committed where I am from, because coming here, I discovered that prayer, you know, prayer take care of everything here. You know, because a good 9 months, I was coming with my wife for a night vigil, Monday and Friday. You know, so it was a good experience, because I didn't just relax at home, say, God will do it, because I say, if truly prayer can take care of my challenge, I must follow my wife to night vigil. So I was coming with her every Monday and Friday for good 9 months. So it was a great experience, and all I want to say, whoever is seeking something from God should not just relate and say God will do it. You know, you should take a move, and God will accomplish it.
Hallelujah. I think I like that last word. He said, take a move and God will accomplish. Don't just stay on that's what God will do. Take a move. Let your faith speak. Let your belief speak, and God bless you in Jesus' name. I pray as you heard that testimony today, that testimony bring joy. That testimony edify you, man. Grow you in Christ Jesus, and God bless you all in Jesus.